After a good night's rest, we set off for Ucluelet. The forecast had called for light to moderate northwesterly winds today. That would have been good. Instead, we sailed into a headwind all day. And the seas were choppy to boot, and this ended up being an uncomfortable and long day of motoring. Were we ever glad to see Aphrodite Lighthouse and the entrance to Ucluelet? Our plan is to catch up on laundry and reprovision the boat here. No stop in Ucluelet would have been complete without visiting the Aphrodite Lighthouse. We have seen this from the water on our arrival. There's also a walking trail here that offers some beautiful views of the ocean. If you're ambitious, there's a flight of stairs that will take you right down to the water. But remember, you have to climb back up these stairs. You can see the effect of the strong winds on the trees here. This group of islands show how treacherous it can be to navigate the waters of the west coast of Vancouver Island. There's also a trail that takes you past the now abandoned cannery at Spring Cove. This cannery helped the Japanese fishing families re-establish themselves after World War II. So even though this was just a rest stop, there was lots for us to see and do.